Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to hide reposts on TikTok. So let's get into it. Let's start by finding the TikTok app on your screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, tap on your profile page from the bottom right corner. Now from the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open a menu. Select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Unfortunately, in the Settings and Privacy section, you will not find an option to hide reposts. Even in the privacy settings within the account section, there is no option to hide reposts. TikTok does not currently provide this feature to their users. However, you can make your account private to hide your reposts. By allowing only your followers to allow your content, you can effectively hide your reposts from other TikTok users. And that's it. This is how you can handle repost visibility on TikTok by adjusting your account private settings. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.